Quiz time. Presented by Dodo Lab. Instructions. 10 multiple-choice questions. Choose the correct answer. Each correct answer equals 1 point. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the color of the juicy tomato and the beautiful rose? Blue, yellow, red, pink. Question 2. Look up. What is the color of the big, wide sky on a sunny day? Blue, yellow, green, pink. Question 3. Those fluffy things floating in the sky are clouds. What color are they? Black, yellow, white, red. Question 4. Look at the leaves on the big banyan tree. What color are they? Green, red, blue, violet. Question 5. Should we wash our fruits and vegetables before eating them? Yes. No. Question 6. How many fingers do you have on one hand? 4, 7, 5, 10. Question 7. Which part of your body do you use to see? Neck, eyes, ear, head. Question 8. Who is the king of the jungle? Giraffe, elephant, lion, tiger. Question 9. How many legs does a dog have? 2, 4, 6, 8. Question 10. What is the national bird of India? Tiger, peacock, sparrow, pigeon. Good job! Subscribe to our channel Dodo Lab for more such content.